Good morning. It's Saturday. I'm going to go home in just a couple of minutes. I thought since it was such a short day, I would just give you an update on the bills that I've carried so far. This morning on the Senate floor, I carried a Senate bill from Senator Jim Keane to allow the Department of Labor and Industry to provide safety training for miners and other workers across the state. That was Senate Bill 47. Most of the floor discussion, not most of it, but a lot of the floor discussion today was a back and forth about the Super Bowl. We did a lot of business. Most of it was non-controversial. There wasn't very much discussion on any of the bills. So the bills that I have carried so far, I have one bill that's gone all the way through the House and all the way through the Senate and is done. So shortly I can officially say that I've made my first law, and that's House Bill 92 on behalf of the Public Defender's Office. I've had 3 bills that have been tabled, so I took them to their committee, had the hearing, they voted and voted no. Those were House Bills 165, a safety law requiring people to slow down when there are emergency workers on the road, House Bill 103, and House Bill 277 was just heard yesterday in FRET, and it was to ask the DEQ to post the public building energy performance numbers on their website. They're already gathering the data, and it would have just basically made it transparent to the government. I don't even remember what House Bill 103 is. House Bill 166 is my bill on the lottery, and that hasn't been voted on yet. They're just sitting on it in education, and part of the reason for that is there's some support for it, and another reason for it is that the governor has other plans for that lottery money, and they're waiting to see what his bill looks like so that they can compare the two and decide what to do. I have one other bill that's going to go through the Senate. It's House Bill 164 on behalf of the Association of Counties to fix an error in the language about when county commissioner district boundaries can be drawn. And then I have 2 more bills that are such babies that they haven't even been assigned a number yet. So they have an LC number. 1784 provides a cost of living adjustment to volunteer firefighters' retirement, and 1791 is the Hire Montanans First Act that you heard about in the governor's speech the other day. Have a good weekend.